Hi there. This is what I wanted to show. This is what I've been working on. I've been working on a new fan conversion. I purchased a slightly larger fan than the previous one I had actually shown. That was the last device I shown on here. But this is the one I've been working on next. It's essentially the stators look the same, but this one's been giving me all sorts of problems. I mean, I've had breakages to contend with. I even had to rewind two of the stators because the start windings just snapped off when I was trying to work with it. So I had to sort of stop and think what I was doing. When I was taking the centerpiece out, the stators out from the actual fan, so I could attach the leads onto them. I had to actually snap it off, snap the thing off. So what I had to do is I had to use a DVD, and attach it onto a DVD. It works great though. Attach the actual stators onto a DVD, drill holes through them, and that's how I've been doing it. The tape's just to, because what I've done is I've soldered onto the actual the enamel wire, and I've just used the CD drilled holes through the CD so I can feed the windings through. So there's only two connections that I have to actually solder on next before I can actually test it. But this fan looks actually better than the last one because this one, it actually comes with a couple of sealed bearings and you've got the spring in the centre. So it looks like this one's going to be, I'm hoping it's going to be free of spinning. The other one was pretty good, but this one looks even better despite all the problems. I was thinking about totally buying some slightly thicker gauge wire and rewinding them. I've been thinking about doing that. I might do that for my next one because I'm planning on doing a couple more of these. But I'm gonna add something different with this one. I'm not gonna build a capsule device. I've got something else in mind that I'm gonna use with this. But even though it's given me quite a few problems, it's been interesting. I've got the yellow leads at the end, that's so I can plug it into my breadboard and just build it and test it with a basic SG circuit. So that's really all I wanted to show anyway. So thanks for watching, and there'll be more to come soon on this. Thank you.